Hello everybody, this is Khashar. Welcome to part 2 of creating calculator with tkinter and of course Python. So as you see here, this is where we finished in last part, and we have the numbers and they're working. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to create a couple of more buttons, plus, minus and other stuff, and after that we need to take care of this function and this function. And this function, as you can see, it's going to calculate for us, and this is going to set all these variables to 0 so we can have another new input. Okay, so then I'm going down here and we start with plus equal button, and where is it going to be? On master, and the text going to be of course plus, and let me check one more time because something right, these numbers are black. Maybe we can change the colors for these operators, but we can do it later. And the command equal, actually yeah, command equal lambda, and press there in parentheses plus sign as a string, and let dot greet, and where we should leave it, we have 2 or 3, we don't have 3 here, then we can start from 3, then row equal 2 and column equal 3. Okay, let's see how it looks. Where is it? Master the main loop. Did I miss something? Yeah, maybe here I should have another parenthesis. Yeah, sorry about that. A typo. Okay, the place is fine. And also let's take care of the width and height. Should be same as these guys here. Then I copy one of them, copy, and here paste it. What about now? Alright, not bad. Actually, they could be a little bit wider, so we didn't have to have this much of space between the buttons, but we can fix it later. And this line is too long from where I can break it. From let's break it from command and push it here. Okay, at least we can see what's going on. And also we need to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 5 more buttons. Then let's copy this line here, and 1 for minus, 1 for multiply, and 1 for divide, 1 for equal, and another 1 for clear. So then this one should be minus, and the text should be also minus. Height is okay, command should be minus also, and we can put it on under the plus, then should be 3 by 3. And another one is multiply, let's call it multiply, and text is multiply, command is also multiply, and also here row should be 4. Another one after multiply, let's be divide. Here text is divide, and also here command is divide, and the last one was on 4 and 3, and let's put it on 5 and 3. Yeah, we will see later, we can change this stuff, so really it's not that important. And if we make a mistake, I mean, you don't have to go like perfectly accurate, and actually you can't go perfectly accurate. Equal, and equal should be equal, and also and here equal should be calculate, because in this function we are going to do our mathematical stuff. And there should be 5 3 and 5 3, let's put it on 5 2, 5 2, and the last one would be clear, and the text should be capital C or clear, but let's go with capital C. And also the function is clear, I think. Yeah, clear. Okay, and it should be on, let's put it on under other stuff, 5, and the column is 1. Okay, save it and run it. Nice, very good. Very good. But let's fix this gap between them, and also the color. I think when we put the width to 6 or 7, let's test with 6, sorry. Still we have a little bit gap. Then what about 7? Okay, 1 will be 7, 2 will be 7. I think it should be nice, so I'm going to just 7 7 7, and what about others, how they look now? Okay, maybe we can leave the other buttons as they are, so a little bit differentiate between the numbers and the operators. And also something I can tell you now, if you want to change the color there, for example after text, the plus, let's put the color I forgot the name, parameter here will be, where is my, okay, after the text you can say FG, like foreground, equal, let's say blue, should be in should be as a string, and background should be white, maybe. Yeah, we can try. BG is for background, and we can set it to white. Let's, and also comma here, and here let's see how it look, just this one. This is plus. Okay, you see the foreground is the background is white, the foreground, the pen color actually is blue. But I think I like it more when it was gray, so we can just put foreground color, so leave it. And also so the rest also, after these, okay, fg equal blue, and actually let's just copy this line and put it everywhere, and also here for equal, and this was for divide, not equal, sorry, and here also for equal, and for clear, clear, let's make it red. Let's see how it look. Okay, it somehow looks like standard calculator or something, but you can change it, change the look and feel how you want. Then now let's go to our very important function, and that would be the calculate. So for calculate, first of all, same as the press function, we should declare global final number. I'm not saying this is optimal way, but this is one way to do it. Global final number, and after we need to have the total variable, total equal string of eval. We are going to evaluate the input, and that would be the final number we are evaluated. And of course it's not a good idea, maybe really, especially on Linux systems, but in Windows not that bad. But it's best, would be we find another way to do it, but I don't have time for this. This is just very basic calculator. No? Then float, I want to change this total and change it to float. Then total will be float, and also the equation what we had here going to be equation dot set to total. That's how we are using our operators here, mathematical operations. But now all right, let me show you this. What's going on here? Okay, let's say 2 plus 2 equal calculate. All right, so it's something is not right. Maybe we did some mistake. I did some mistake here in the calculate place. Where is my calculate? Create. Yes, because it shouldn't be string. I made a mistake. Okay, so now 2 plus 2 function calculate. Even worse. All right. All right. All right, never mind. We can write it one more time. So let me come here. Where is the equal? It's not that important. We can write it one more time. Say, I don't know where I made a mistake. Equal button, and going to be on master text equal and foreground equal blue, and height equal 1, and width equal 5. All right, where I am. Wow. Oh, equal 5, and command equal calculate or equal should be calculate dot grid on row 5 and column equal to. Okay, let's see. Row 5, yep, row equal 5. Yeah, I am a little bit foggy like always. 9 minus 9 equals 0. Okay, then maybe some syntax or something, I don't know. Alright, now that this is working, but let's see the 2 plus clear. Okay, we have to take care of clear first, and after I'm going to tell you what's going on. And for clear, actually it's very easy. We just first set global final number and final number equal empty string. That's it. And also then equation that's set to empty string. That's it. And also here, after equation that's set total, let's say for example you set 2 plus 2 4, and the final number should hold that 4 as a first number, so you can write, okay, 4 like divide by 1 something, alright, like a normal calculator, when you can hold your last result as a first number for the new mathematical operation, whatever you want to do with it. Then here we should say final number equal total. Okay, 40, let's say, plus 30, because 70 minus 70 equals 0, then the total is 0. But clear, oh, I think I made another mistake. Clear should be, yeah, of course I write it as a string. It just should be clear. Should be clear. And one more time. Do I have press clear? Lambda. Yeah, because we don't need lambda here. Actually, my mistake, because we've been copy pasting everything. So command equal clear. That's why we shouldn't copy paste. Let's see, 2 and clear, 8 clear. Okay, now it's working. So because, as you remember, we've been copy pasting all these buttons, and I forgot to remove the lambda. We don't need lambda. We have our own function here. We don't need a lambda function. All right, then let's try it one more time. Actually, it's here. So let's say 10. I don't know. Multiply 10 equal 100. Then now minus 50 equal 50. That's, this part is coming handy. So let's try something like to see if it's show us the plot. 9, yeah, 8, and see for clean. 10, 100, like multiply 60 and plus blah 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 minus. Also, we don't have problem with negative numbers. Alright, so that would be it. This is our basic simple calculator using tkinter. So as you see, it's not so complicated, maybe a little bit, and I think if you can find a better way. First, find a better way to not use a global final number. Maybe you can pass it as an argument or something. Of course you can, and you can change the code a little bit. And also, if you can find a way to get around this using eval, because it's really not a good idea, especially as I said in the Unix Linux systems. And that's it. I hope you liked this tutorial and you could pick something out of it. And as always, if you like my tutorials and you find them useful, please subscribe and hit the like button. If you have any question, please ask. If you have suggestion, please tell. And I see you guys in next video. I don't know, maybe I don't know with what kind of program I will come up, but if you have any idea, if you really want me to make something, please tell me. If I can, I will do it. So thanks for watching. I see you guys next time.